Today is his first day to the school. He is very nervous. Alok has no friends here. Alok, where are you? It's time to go to school. Today is first day of your school. Come on, let's go.
Mom, but I don't know what to do. I don't know how the children will behave with me.
Don't worry, school is very good and the teachers and students will also be very good. Be positive.
Okay, let's go.
Here, Alok has no friends yet. He's sitting all alone, feeling very lonely. He's missing his old school and friends very much. The teacher comes to the class and notices this. Children, here is Alok, a new member of our class. Please help him be comfortable here and be his friends. Okay, ma'am.
Wow, I found my new friends.
Alok reaches home in a very excited mood to tell his mother about the happenings of the day.
I am home. Mom, where are you?
What happened? How was your day?
It was very fantastic. I made my new friends and the teachers were also very good and supportive.
Oh, really? That's great. Now study hard and excel. Friends, we should all be very supportive, friendly, and helpful towards the new children so that they don't miss their old school.